let's go over the VGRPRO hair clipper set. I'm gonna go over what you get with this set, talk about who these clippers are for, go over the performance of them, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your hair clippers. So this is the full cordless clipper set. We of course have the main clippers right here. And then we have a T-trimmer, and then our charging stands, any different grips that we can add to the trimmers. And of course we have the USB-C cables that attach to not only the clippers themselves, but the charging base also. And then we have all our guards here, and then our adapter here. Okay, so we can have a look at the clippers here. The blade is a DLC, a diamond-like carbon blade, 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters taper lever on the clipper. We have the lever right here. And when we have the guards on, we can also adjust the lever. And we'll turn on the clippers on the side button right here. This is the first setting. See on the screen, it is 7,000 RPM. We also have the battery life. What's also nice is we can see if these needed to be oiled as well, if they need to be. There'll be a display on the screen showing that you need to oil them. Okay, then we'll go up one setting. That goes to 8,000 RPM. And then we have a turbo button right here to go to 9,000. So you can hear it's very quiet, even on the 9,000 RPM. That's really nice about this blade. So the battery life of these will last up to 4 hours of continuous runtime, and it takes around 2 hours to charge the clippers. And this is a premium feel to the clipper. It feels heavy, feels solid. It really does feel like a premium clipper. It has alloy steel / carbon steel blades. It's a metal plastic body, and the grip is really nice as well. So since this goes up to 9,000 RPM, it's great for handling thick, coarse, and curly hair without snagging. That's one of the main issues that you have with some clippers, is they just don't go at a high enough RPM. So now let's have a look at some of the clipper guards here. We have 10 clipper guards from 1/16 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch, plus the left-right ear tapers for blending around the ears. So we'll go ahead and pick up one of the bigger ones. So this is the 6, the 3/4 inch, 19 millimeters. So all we have to do to attach is just put on the front onto the blade and then push down. And to take off, we just go ahead and lift up. Go ahead and show you a few more. Here's number 3, 3/8 of an inch, 9 millimeters. Put on top, push down. Then let's have a look at the T-trimmer, the same build as the clipper, just smaller here, has the guard on. So you can have a look at the blade. We turn it on the side. 7,000 RPM, just like the clippers. Go up one and go to 8,000 RPM. So this does not have the turbo button, just goes up to 8,000 RPM. And with this, we get 4 trimmer guards for beard lengths and detailing. 1 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and 7 millimeter. So I can show you, just putting those on the exact same way. Put it over the blade first, go ahead and push down, just like that. Snaps on. In a lot of professional settings, you won't necessarily need to use these guards, but it's nice to have these on. If you like having a nice T-trimmer when you're traveling, this can be used as a guard as well. Okay, and of course, as you see, it comes in this nice case. This is in a plastic little casing right here. The entire set, you can of course get rid of this and just throw it on in to the bottom of the case. Have a look at the front as well. It has the VGRPRO logo on the front, has a nice heather gray. And you do get the blade oil with this in the cleaning brush. Of course, you will want to use the oil. It is important to keep the blades oiled. Depending on the use of the clippers, do this around once a day. So if you're a professional barber, you want to do this once a day, maybe even more depending on how many haircuts you're giving. So getting a full kit like this can really help you save time and money. If a single cut at a barbershop is close to the price of this kit in some areas, regular self-cuts or family cuts can pay it off quickly, especially with the 4-hour battery and full guard range. And the fade lever plus the multiple guards gives more control over blends and tapering than basic clippers. And this helps you maintain a consistent look between professional cuts. Also, the quiet operation and the cordless design can make it less intimidating for cutting kids' hair or doing your own neckline. And that's really what this kit is for, really just saving time and money from having to go to the barber and spend money on haircuts. This is a full, complete clipper set that is more than enough to give you a professional cut. So who are these clippers for? Really just for home users that want a professional cut and want something that's a little more capable than a really cheap kit. This is also good for barbers who need a cordless trimmer, storage, the guards, and enough battery to get you through the day. So if you're someone who cares about clean lineups and detailed beard trimming and need a T-trimmer that gets a very close cut without having to use a razor, then this is a kit for you as well. And this kit may be overkill if you just do an occasional buzz cut with the same length. You can probably get by with just a simpler clipper. And if you need clippers that are waterproof, these are not waterproof, so you'll want a different set as well. So overall, this is a really high quality trimmer kit and definitely worth checking out.